I'll be discussing some of my products. Today we'll be discussing the Golden Sand Imported Body Oil, which is available retail and wholesale. This is an exclusive perfume body oil that all vendors and wholesalers do not carry. It is exclusive because it is not made within the United States. One of the distinctions between regular oils such as Black Woman versus Golden Sand is Golden Sand is an imported oil and Black Woman is a domestic oil. This oil is exclusive and I make it available retail and wholesale. Ship it out anywhere in the U.S. Payments can be made with MoneyGram, Western Union, and through major credit cards. Please contact me directly at 248-227-3725. And also you can please visit me on my website at Facebook on Smell Good Aroma to find out more information. Again, thank you and have a great day.